Aishwarya BR. I'm gonna tell you about a K-map and quine-mccluskey method. First, we have to introduce a K-map. In this question, using K-map, obtain minimal sum and product of the function f of a, b, c, d equals summation of small m in the bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13. First we have to write this is for a 4 variable K-map, so we have to write a basic 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10 and above 12, 13, 15 and 14. Here it is a 4 variable K-map, so we have to write a bar, b bar, a bar, b, ab and ab bar. In the above c bar, d bar, c bar, d, cd and cd bar. In the sub, first we have to look up in the summation of m, wherever the variable is present, we have to put in the sub as 1. So in the absence of that variable, we have to write as 0. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 13 is present. So in that place, we have to write 1. In the absence of that place, we have to write 0. So we get a 1 quad and 2 pair. So the answer is y equals a bar d plus b c bar d plus a bar c d. So how come y is in the quad? We have to look up a bar, b bar, a bar, b. In that b bar, b is cancelled, so remaining is a bar. In the above c bar, d and cd. In the above c bar, d is cancelled out, so the remaining is d. So the answer is a bar d plus here a bar, b and ab. In that a bar and a is cancelled, so b is remaining. In the above c bar, d is written, so the answer is b c bar d. And here a bar, b bar, a bar, b. In that b bar, b is cancelled, so a bar is remaining. In the above c d bar, so the answer is a bar y equals a bar d plus b c bar d plus a bar c d bar. So in next pause, in the question they already mentioned minimal sum and product, so sum we have to already written. So next we have to write a pause. In that pause they given summation of m, so we have to write same sop in the pause. So firstly we have to think about in the pause only we have to group only zeros. Here 1 is neglected, but in the sop here only 1 is grouping, 0 is neglected. So that's why here summation of m is given. So we have to write sop as in the pause, but we have to group only as zeros. So here 1 quad and 3 pair is come. So in the above sop we have to write y, so we have to write in the pause as y bar. So the answer is a bar c bar d bar plus b c bar d bar plus a b bar d plus a c. So in that this is the answer of sop, but they given the minimal product, so we have to took a whole bar that. So the answer is in that bar is all cancel out, and in the wherever the bar is not, so we have to put at a bar. So the answer is y equals a plus c plus d into b bar plus c plus d into a bar plus b plus d bar into a bar plus c. So the answer is this one. Next we have to going about a quine-mccluskey method. Simplify the function Boolean function by using quine-mccluskey method. First we have to lay out that. First we have to write minterms, binary representation, grouping, stage 1 and stage 2. In the minterm we have to write a summation of m in the bracket. So we have to write m0, m2, m3, m6, m7, m8, m10, m12 and m13. In that binary representation are m0 0 0 0 0, m2 0 0 1 0, m3 0 0 1 1, m6 1 0 1 1 0, m7 0 1 1 1, m8 1 0 0 0, m10 1 0 1 0, m12 1 1 0 0, m13 1 1 0 1. In next grouping, in the grouping first we have to think about only one present in ones. So first we have to think about a 0 0 0 0 has a one group, and next we have to write it as only one present in one group. So 0 0 1 0 has only one ones, and 1 0 0 0 has one ones. So 2 and 8 becomes the next group. And next we have to think about it two ones, 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. So 3 6 10 12 become a third group. 0 1 1 1 the 1 1 0 1 become a next group. Next we have to think about a stage 1. In a stage 1 we have to compare first group with the second group, that are 0 2 and 8. Here wherever the one present, that we have to put about a dash. Here we have to compare in 0 0 0 0 0 and present, so 2 0 0 1 0 in present. In third place, we in that 2 we have a 1. In 0 there is no 1, so we put a dash in third place. So 0 0 dash 0, so 0 comma 2 becomes. And next we have to compare 0 and 8. In the first place we have 1 in 8, so we have to put dash 0 0 0, so we get 0 comma 8. And next we have to combine 2 8 3 6 10 12 2 with the third group. And next we have to think about the third with the fourth group. Like that stage 1 is completed. In the stage 2 we have to compare first group like a stage 1 group first in the second group. Like that 0 2 0 8 with a Z 2 3 2 6 2 10 8 10 and 8 12. In that we have to think about first we have in a 0 comma 2 we have a third place we have a dash, so we have to write 8 comma 10. In that 8 comma 10 also has a third place we have a dash, so we have to compare 0 2 with the 8 and 10, so we get dash 0 dash and 0. So 0 2 8 and 10 become a first group. And next like that 2 3 with a 6 and 7. Like that stage 2 is completed. And the most important part is we have to recheck once wherever all groups are present, so we have to write the prime implicant. So we have to go back to recheck. We have a B bar D and A bar C. In that place 8 and 12 and 12 13 is not present, so we have to write it also in a prime implicants. So the prime implicants are A C bar D bar, A B C bar, B bar D bar and A bar C. And we have to write summation of M also. In that summation of M, A C bar D bar is present 8 comma 12, so we have to put a right mark in M8 and M12. And 12 comma 13 and 0 2 8 10 and 2 3 6 7, we have to put a right tick on that place. And next we have to check whether the first tick marks, only one tick mark is there, so we have to take it first. In that B bar D bar has only one tick, so we have to write it first. And A bar C has 3 ticks like M3 M6 M7, so we have to write it once only. And next M13 has A, B, C bars has one tick, so that one also we have to write. First we have to write a single tick marks. Next we have to going about 2 ticks. Here M2 B bar D bar and A bar C has 2 ticks. We have to write it, but we already write B bar D bar and also A bar C, so we gonna neglect about that. And A C bar D and B bar D. Firstly we have to think about we already write B bar D bar, so we have to neglect it. And next A C bar D bar and A B C bar has 2 ticks, so we already write A B C bar, so we have to neglect it also. So the answer is B bar D bar plus A bar C plus A B C bar. Thank you.